So the question today is, can this tiny device really transform our boondocking experience? Well, let's find out.
Now, we don't generally do full reviews, but we're really excited to show you guys this product that might really improve our ability to camp off-grid. We've partnered with SoftStart USA, which makes this amazing product, which is supposed to reduce the amount of draw that your RV has on a power source, which oftentimes for us is a generator.
And the reason that this is particularly important to us is because we do really like to do off-grid camping because, let's be honest, those get you to the coolest places. In case in point, if you see right behind me, we're actually at a really cool spot here at Pothole State Park in Washington at a free camping spot. However, we have been spending time in a lot of hot places recently, and we got 2 pups inside the RV, which means we need to be running the AC, and unfortunately, kicking on the AC is a huge power draw that hopefully this is gonna solve.
Went to go turn on the generator, and we've got the dreaded red light indicator. So now we're pulling things apart. We'll see what happens.
On a recent trip, we ended up having to get a new generator on the fly when our old one crapped out on us.
We think that this will cover all our needs, although it is slightly less powerful than the one that we have.
We thought that this would fix our problem, but the only one in stock was 3,300 starting watts, which proved to be problematic for our AC.
That's the AC. It works.
Was that the AC?
Power's out. I've overloaded it.
So generator started up no problem, but when we went to go plug in, we got an immediate overload. We're not exactly sure why.
This is obviously a situation that we are going to have to figure out, and soon. As I mentioned before, the Soft Startup is a device that's supposed to reduce the amount of power that your appliances need when they first start up, and this is really good for things like your AC and your microwave. And the best thing about this device is that it requires absolutely no electrical skills to install it. You just plug and play. Now for us, that means it should be able to start our 15,000 BTU AC, which has been a huge struggle and completely overloaded our generator in the past. And in theory, it should also be able to run some other appliances with it. This doesn't just work with the generator. It's also supposed to work with shore power, whether it be 30 amp or whenever you're visiting family and friends and boondocking.
Quite simply, this was an issue that we had to get resolved if we want to keep doing what we're doing and getting off grid. We were actually in the process of figuring out how to get that done, and SoftStart USA actually reached out to us and offered us the SoftStart.
Smaller than I thought.
Yeah, for sure.
Oh, and it comes with its own 30 amp dog phone adapter.
So as we mentioned, we partnered with them and we're gonna see how this thing works.
I'm really excited. And now for the stats. So we have a 50 amp 2020 Kodiak Ultimate Travel Trailer, and we have a Craftsman generator which has 3,300 starting watts and 2,500 running.
First thing I'll say is, as an RV owner, you know storage is at a premium, and this thing is really no bigger than a surge protector, so it doesn't take up a lot of space. I think that's enough numbers for you. Let's see how this thing works.
Now, if you have an external surge protector, you're gonna wanna put it between the SoftStart and the generator. However, ours is built into our RV, so we're actually gonna turn ours off because it doesn't run well with generators. All right, it's turned off.
All right, let's fire this bad boy up.
Here we go.
Once the indicator turns to flashing lights, you can plug in your RV.
Time to try the AC.
Now that first noise is the fan, that's already better.
Nice!
That was the AC.
Wow, normally it struggles so much harder than that.
Yeah, it usually like for 10 seconds.
That was awesome.
Now the rest of this is going to be a little loud because we generally don't record with our AC on, but this is to test some things out. We already mentioned that boondocking is really important to us, but you know what else is really important?
Coffee.
Coffee. We use our French press, which means we boil our water in this pitcher and we grind our beans in this, and we have not been able to do that on a generator in the past.
Now you can tell that there's a strain on the generator, but it did not overload it, which...
Hold on.
Oh.
that did it.
you're-
Hey, but now we know.
Okay, well, we know where the threshold is. Okay, let's reset this thing because let's be honest, Victoria got a little cocky there.
AC's back on. Now we're gonna see if it works with the microwave. Ooh,
It worked.
it's working.
Heck yeah.
Let's see about this bad boy.
Okay, so far so good.
Now we're gonna be spending the next couple of days here at Pothole State Park exploring and camping, and we're really gonna be putting this thing to the test.
Probably gonna be turning this thing on and off a lot, so we'll report back to you. Okay, y'all, I think this is good news because we've restarted this thing about 5 or 6 times since we've been camping out here, and we've been able to power everything we needed without overloading the generator.
Well, now that we got our AC situation figured out, of course fall's coming up, so I'm really excited to see how this thing will handle our heaters.
I really feel like this thing's gonna help us with our off-grid camping experiences. So huge shout out to SoftStart USA for sending this to us for free so we could try it out.
And if you think that this would help you with your camping experiences, check it out. We have a link in the description where we may make a small commission.
It is getting a little windy out here as we pack up, but it's an absolutely beautiful location. If you'd like to check out more of the Pothole State Park area here in Washington, we do have a video, so y'all make sure to check it out, and we will catch y'all on the next one.
Bye.